Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to continue the Angular tutorial. Today I am going to teach one-way binding and two-way binding, how to use in Angular programming. It's very simple. So here in our last videos we have to talk about the components and all. So here how to use uh, one-way binding. You can see here. Let's go to our ts file. What is the meaning by the ts file? I already talked about this one. HTML is our, we have to create the HTML page. This is css, we have to apply the css style. It is a ts mean, it's a logic mean if you are to write the programming, create the variables and methods, all the things including the front end application in ts. This is a logic. Now I'm going to create the variable. How to create the variable in Java? Java as a data type, variable name and value. Okay, so if it is Java, your type first string name equal John. That's how you have created Java variables. So here first we have to create a variable name first. Angular. So here I'm type student name, student name. After that we have to type the variable name string. So string is a variable. After that equal the value. What is value you are typing? John is a value. This is the variable declaration. Right? This is a variable declaration. So after that, how to include numbers? Numbers also the same thing. Num1 data type will be number equal 30. That's it. Now I'm going to get another number. Number 2 number equal 60. That's it. Now what I'm going to do is simple way if you have to create variables. So here we have to do another important stuff. Go to the app module TS. Here we have to write the import section. We have to import the form module. Form module. Then only we have to import. Then only the variable you are calling into the forms. Right. So here let's go to the HTML. Logic you have written here. Logic file. Go to the HTML. You have to write over here. How to get that variable value, have to put it to John. How to call the John in our HTML? So write the paragraph tag. So write the paragraph tag. You have to write stud name. Here it's coming. Now let's save all. Back here, John will be displayed here. Paragraph. If it is a, let me put like the tag. Then only we will be able to see. You will be see coming here. John is letter is big, right? Perfect. Okay, this is how you have to write like this. After that, we have to write the input type. So you have to write input space. So type like this. ng model. So you have to write the student name. Placeholder. Student name. Right. Now, what is the name you are typing? This name will be, this name you have given here. It will be passing to this variable. So here you can see here. Let's save all. Back to the application. Now the default will be John. Now you have to type Peter. Now you can see the Peter will be changed. Here, if you type here, it will be changed. Name will be changed. Right? If you type Prasad, here it's working. That is the way. This is a two-way binding. The first one should be the one-way binding. Look like this. This is a two-way binding. If you type here, it will be value will be changed. This is how their two-way binding will be work. Okay, it's a two-way binding. This is how the binding two-way binding will be work, right? So here now let's try on the uh, numbers. So you have to type here number. So num1. So here it will be changed the same number. Here to write number. This is also the same. 30 will be working. Now if you have 60, it will passing as 60. If it is a 70, it will be passing, right? This of the one-way binding and two-way binding. One-way binding is only one-way binding. The variable, we have to call it here. Okay, this one, TS5. So one-way binding. This value you are getting to, this value assigned to this variable. This variable, if you are calling to the HTML file, it has been printed. If it's two-way binding, you have to input like this. The two-way binding will be work. This is how you have make the one-way binding and two-way binding programming in Angular. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.